Hello everyone, welcome to Foto Hotel here in Phuket. I just wanted to make a quick review vlog about this hotel since there's not much information on YouTube, so hopefully this will give you an idea about this nice little hotel. Before I move on to further details, I just want to let you guys know this is part of our 18 days Thailand trip that includes Songkran celebration in Bangkok, visiting Phuket, Similan Islands, Kawak area, Phi Phi Islands, Ao Nang, and Riley Beach. So if you're interested in visiting any of these places or just curious about them, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the Thailand playlist. With that being said, let's start with the parking. As you can see, it's very basic, just the empty lot by the building, but we didn't have any problems. We drove here from Phuket International Airport with a rental car and it took us about an hour to get here. Here it is, the main entrance and the lobby. It's very minimalistic but stylish, so you'll see the similar styling throughout the property. Let's talk about the pricing since we're checking in. We got 3 rooms and each one cost us about $35 US. If you're considering the price, this hotel is actually not that bad. Check-in process is very standard. They require deposits and passport copies just like any other hotel. Check-in time is 2 p.m. and we get here by 3 p.m. and one of the rooms were still not ready, so we had to wait about half an hour, so that was not that big of a deal for us. We are only staying for one night, so I think if you are doing a road trip or needed a room for a very affordable price, I would definitely recommend this little hotel. We just finished the check-in. Now let's go check out the rooms. This is the courtyard in the middle of the building, and there's only one elevator on the right. The elevator is kind of small, so it couldn't carry all of us, and one of us ended up taking the stairs.
Bobby weighs about 300 pounds. ชั้นไหนอะ
มันโหลดว่ะ มันโหลดมัน
I give it a little shake over here, so it's solid. Here I am in my room on the second floor, room number 1209. Let's go check out the room before I touch anything. As you can see, similar styling continues in the room. Black and gray colors are dominant. There's an umbrella in the entrance. I think it rains a lot in here in summertime, so it's nice to have it. Here's a small desk with electric outlets, and there's a Bluetooth speaker / plug / USB charger, so this is actually very useful. Here's the little fridge with water and a couple of juices inside. This is the tea / coffee corner with a kettle and some condiments. Here's the TV. I honestly didn't even turn on the TV, so I don't know what channels are available. Every room comes with a roommate, so get ready for that. And here is the bed. It's like a king size, I would say, but it seems a little short. There are some light switches by the bed. And this room has a little balcony with the wall view. Since we only pay $35 a night, I have no complaints. Plus it's better than no balcony at all, because I wash some of my clothes and just hang them out there and it dries a lot faster than inside, so because it's very hot. Alright, let's go check out the bathroom. There's a couple of robes, towels, beach bag with beach towels in it, and there's a couple slippers underneath. Here it is, some toiletries. Mirror has an anti-fog option, so this was unexpected. There it is, more outlets. And here's the shower. It's decent, it's not the best, but it's not the worst. Overall, it's hard to see details because of the dark colors all around, so I'm just trying my best. And here's the toilet. It's standard, very basic. I think this is it. So overall, not bad if you consider the price. So let's go check out the pools, bar, and the beach. This is the lobby from the second floor, and you can see behind the hotel, you can go straight into jungle. You can actually hear all the bugs and birds from here. Okay, let's go check out the pool number 1. This one seems like a private pool for those rooms, but it's not. So anyone can use it, but it's very shallow, and the other pool is actually more spacious. So this is the parking area by the building, so you can see our car right there. Okay, let's go check out the bar. So this is very cool looking bar slash cafeteria. They have the same concept continuous here. They have some donuts and pastries besides all the drinks, so you can either have a cup of coffee with some pastries or get some beer or cocktail. Alright, let's go check out the pool number 2 and the beach. Even with the overcast weather, it's still not bad. I'm sure it will look much better with the clear sky. So the water looks so dark. It's not only because of the weather, but I believe it's also a little bit murky in here, because when you think about Thailand or Phuket, you imagine crystal clear water. This one is not in the same class, but it's still not that bad. It's definitely very quiet and peaceful. Let's finish out with some drone footages so you can see the surroundings. If you have any questions about the hotel or the area, please feel free to add in the comments. I hope this video gives you an idea about this hotel and its surroundings. If so, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and travel videos. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.